Hi there, Joe here from ShortPoint, and today I want to show you our new content boxes design element. I've got a section on my HR site that I'm creating called Employee Values, and we want to add a couple links over to some important documents that cover our employee values a little bit more. So we're going to click the Add Design Element button here. And for this example, we're going to use the Content Boxes element. As you can see here, it's going to give us a box with a title, a description, and then a link that we can update. So as we go into one of these items, instead of business strategy here, let's go ahead and we are going to create a link over to our code of conduct that we are adding. I'm going to go ahead and paste in a new description here as well. And then we also can change this link label. So we do have the ability in another setting I'll show you in a moment where you can change the link label for all of these content boxes. So they're the same, but we might in this case want this to just say open document. We could also put in, of course, the link where people are going to be taken when they click on that button and control how that link is going to open, whether that's a same window, a new window. Lightbox and dialog are both going to be a little pop-up on this page as well. That's where we're going to set up the individual items for each content box. If we go to the design tab, there's a couple different styles. Before I switch, you'll notice this one has a little shadow behind the boxes. If we change it to the style 2, it's a little bit flatter in terms of the look there. It gets rid of that shadow. We can change the color of these content boxes, which is going to change the title and the link there. The colors in this dropdown again are coming from the theme builder, which is where you'll set your colors. So when you're clicking in this dropdown, you would see your brand colors in the dropdown there. We do have a light mode and a dark mode for these content boxes. I'm going to set this back to light for now. There also is this apply random colors button, which kind of gives us a little gradient, as you can see the different colors of each content box here. We can adjust the alignment of the content. If you wanted this, for example, to be left aligned instead, we could adjust that. And then finally at the bottom here, we have an items per row. So for example, if we were going to have a fourth content box, I could do that a couple of different ways. We could have 4 in a row. We've got an extra space for that one now. Or maybe I want this to be a little 2x2 grid. I could say 2 items per row. We'll set that back to 3. And then finally, if we jump over to the advanced tab, you'll see there's a couple options here. On the content, we can adjust the title size, make that a little bit bigger here. Or we could adjust the description size if we wanted to. This is where we can adjust that link label that we want to apply to all of these content boxes if we haven't specified a different link label on the individual item. And then you can also control that link size here if we want. In addition to the sizes, we can adjust the color then of the description or of the link color here. And then finally, we can also change the background color as well as the roundness. So if we wanted instead maybe to pull in one of our theme colors as the background, or again, maybe we want to make those corners on these content boxes a little bit rounder, we could adjust that as well. Thanks for watching this video on the new ShortPoint content boxes element. We look forward to your feedback.